Right, well, we just finished our... Say hello, everyone.
Hello.
We're listening to...
This is Molly's
we finished our walk just in time because we just walked in the front door. Well, we just got off the field and it started raining a little bit, and by the time we walked in the front door, it started pouring down. So now we're out in the garden under the gazebo, and as you can hear,
Now it rained on the floor.
we're doing our favourite thing, which is listening to the rain. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
It's lovely. Harp, if you go in, you're staying in. And it's raining hard. Believe me. Gazebo got a bit bent up the other night, torn. But it sounds so lovely. And James is singing.
Yeah,
I don't know what he's singing. Right, so it's goodbye from me. Goodbye from James. Say goodbye, James.
Bye.
Come out the rain, please. And love you lots. And of course, love yourselves much more. Bye-bye.